I am Shah Aslan, respected teachers and my dear friends. Good morning to everyone. Today I am going to explain about my science project model air pollution. Air pollution is the biggest problem in our world. It happens when harmful substances enter the air. These substances can come from cars, factories, and burning trash. It makes our environment dirty and unhealthy. It, it harms plants, animals, and humans. To reduce air pollution, use public transport. Let's drive, plant more trees. Needs plant more trees. Everyone needs to work together to fight air pollution. Thank you to all. Water pollution நீரின்றி அமையாது உலகு. Water is an important resource. Every living being needs water. We need water for drinking, cooking, bathing, cleaning, and gardening. Fishes, animals, and plants need water to live. But we are polluting our water. Water pollution is a big problem. Harmless, harmful things get into water. Factories and cities often release chemical and waste into rivers and oceans that pollute our water bodies. Plastic and garbages into water cause fish and sea animals. Pollution also affects the human health. Pollution, clean water is essential for life, so we must protect it. No water, no life. So save water, save life. Thank you. Thank you.